For you to have someone to click on your video content, you must have a well-designed thumbnail. And for the sake of that, I want to take you step by step on how to design a well attractive thumbnail in this video. Oh yeah, let's get started. Please, if you forget you didn't subscribe to this channel, try and subscribe to this channel, like this video, click the subscription button and the bell button so that you'll be notified anytime I drop any new content. Thank you. Let's go into the editing practically. Before, I'm using PixArt or Canva to design my YouTube thumbnail, but now I have found a most interesting app for designing a YouTube thumbnail, for designing a professional thumbnail, very attractive. The name of the app is Thumbnail Maker. So let me enter the app and start designing a thumbnail for you guys to see step by step on how I make a better and nice thumbnail for this video. So let's enter the app. So we should keep on waiting for the app to just load. The app gonna load right away. So it will now load right away. So look at you're gonna see look at how amazing thumbnails are in this app. And each thumbnail here you can be able to pick one and edit it and change it to your own thumbnail. Like here now, look at my edits. Let me enter my edit. All this thumbnail here you are seeing here, I use this app to design the thumbnail here. So let me just edit one out of here so that I will use it for this tutorial that I wanted to do. So let me use one here. Okay, like this very one now. So I'm gonna remove all the objects, the image that I put on this background. I'm gonna remove them and use another image for this very thumbnail now. Look at it here. Let me delete this one. Even this one, let me delete it. Then even the background also, we can be able to change it. Then this is free background now. So let me just go and pick background, another background, and use it for this thumbnail. Just keep on watching. Let me just go. They say I should enter my gallery, so I want to open my gallery now. There is a one white background that I downloaded, so let me just go and pick it from there. Let me search. Let me scroll down. There must be somewhere here. Yeah, let me keep on searching here. The background must be here. No, look at the background here. So I want to use this white background here. Yes, I want to use this very one. So look at it here. Look at the size of the background here. Then I'm going to use this very one as my background. So then you now can enlarge it to the thumbnail size. After you enlarge it like this, then you are done with this with background now. Then you now can put some image and write up. So let me go and look for an image to put on it. I will still enter my gallery here. So I will still enter my gallery. Then I now then you now go to some images that use eraser, that background eraser. You enter there any image that you pick or that you cut from its background. You're going to use it for your thumbnail. So I pick this one. Let me now go here. Then I now put it here. So look at it here. So I put this very one here. Okay, so I put this very one here. Then I will now put a write-up. So let me use something like okay, best app for no, like best YouTube thumbnail, best YouTube thumbnail design, YouTube thumbnail design, best YouTube thumbnail design 222. Let's assume I use this right up here. So let's assume I use this right up here. So I now use this right up here. Then you can still change the font size, the font color, any font that you wanted to use. Look at it now. You can choose any font, any type of font that you wanted to use here. You can select. But me, I prefer to use this very one. Where is it? I prefer to use yes, I prefer to use this very one. Yeah, I want to use this very one. Then you can change the color and anything that you wanted to change. Look at it now. Different colors you can use on this thumbnail. So let me use, I'm still using black. Yeah, because this is my favorite color. Yes, then I will not come, you not come go outline it. You can outline it with different type of colors. Look at it, how it's changing. Look at it. So I want to use white because that is the white I always use. So then you now increase the outline size. You can increase it to any shape. You can increase the outline to any shape. So I increase it this way. Then if you like, I can still add more image. So I want to go and carry the logo of this very application and drop it there, so that anybody that see it, he can be able to find and locate the exact application I'm using like this. So let me go there. Let me go and pick the logo from my gallery. So let me just go and pick it from there. So let the gallery open. Okay, so let's keep on waiting and waiting. So let me just enter here. So let me come here. Yeah, let me come. Okay, enter here. Then let me check the background side. Look at the logo here. This is the logo. So I want to use it right now. I want to place it under this right up. I want to place it under this right up. Under this right up. Look at it here. So look at it here. Very simple. Best YouTube thumbnail design 2022. Look at it now. Then you now come save it like this. You now come press save. So you now come press save. Look at it here. When you press save now, it will show you one ad like that. So after closing the ad, it has already saved. After you close the ad, then it will pop up. It will pop this one. Then you are done. When you go back to your gallery here, off your data, then you go back to your gallery, you will see your design already there. So look at it now. Let me just enter my gallery. So let me enter my gallery here. Then let me come here. Let me come here. Then let me scroll to thumbnail designs. Okay, this thumbnail design, look at it. All these thumbnails you are seeing here, I use this very application to design it. All these thumbnails, like this one that I just did, look at it here. That is just it.